Hi, Suzy Valentin and Alex Valentin with Century 21 Now Realty and MoneyWise Property Management. We just received a text from the tenant that the dryer breaker tripped, and that's 2 days in a row now. So we're gonna go check it out and see if it needs replacing. Check back with you soon.
So we came to the apartment building. It looks like the breaker wasn't tripped. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take it apart and I'm going to pull the breaker and I'm going to take it down to the Home Depot store and ask them to check it. They'll check the amperage. If it's bad, then we'll get a new one and replace it. Talk to you soon. Right on top. Black on bottom.
Special assistance needed at the water heater. Calentadores de agua. Special assistance needed at the water heater.
There's a joke on this that says macaroni and
No, stop doing it.
Here we are at Lowe's, and I'm picking up a replacement part for the breaker that we just pulled out of the apartment complex. This is a 30 amp 2-prong, so I got one that matches. It's not the same company, but it'll be perfect. Surprising enough, this is like a $9.98 part, and guess what electrician wants to charge? $150. So I'm gonna go ahead and install this, save $140. See you at dinner. Okay, I have the new breaker and I'm going to go ahead and install it. Sorry you won't be able to see the front of me, but you'll be able to see the back of my head.
Success. Great job, honey.
Hi, we're going to go back to the office now and get some real work done. I'm finished at the apartment complex putting in a breaker for my beautiful wife. I probably saved her maybe $250. Not bad for a $10 part and a little know-how.
There's nothing that you can't do.
There's nothing that we can't do.